Hi, I am Dr. Sunil Bangera. I am a consultant general surgeon. I specialize in laparoscopy surgery and laser surgery. I am a consultant surgeon at Horizon Prime Hospital. I have experience of more than 25 years of doing laparoscopy surgery, and I have done more than 12,000 laparoscopy surgery in the last 25 years. Today I will be talking on one of the commonest surgeries that a laparoscopy surgeon conducts is gallstone surgery. How does one diagnose that a person has got gallstones? The simplest test to do is ultrasonography. Ultrasonography will pick up any gallstone if it is present. Only if there is complications of the obstruction, then probably some blood test needs to be run to check whether there are signs and symptoms of obstruction, like serum bilirubin test is done to check whether jaundice is there, or serum amylase is done to see whether the pancreas is affected. Once the diagnosis is done, next comes the treatment. All symptomatic gallstones require to be treated, and the treatment is surgery. Patient needs to get his gallbladder operated, that is removal of gallbladder. Now there are two types of surgery. One is the traditional surgery, which is called as open surgery, where an incision is made on the abdomen, a large incision, and the gallbladder is removed. Whereas in laparoscopy surgery, very small incisions are taken, a telescope is passed, and 2-3 more 5 mm incisions are done on the abdomen, and the whole surgery is done through the small incisions, and the gallbladder is removed through the small incision. What are the advantages of laparoscopy over open surgery? The pain is much lesser than open surgery. The recovery is much faster. Patient can go home within 2 or 3 days, whereas in open surgery, patient needs to stay at least for 3 to 5 days. Cosmetically, laparoscopy surgery is way better than open surgery. So, any person who is suffering from gallstones need to visit his doctor or his consultant and get treated at the earliest, so that he doesn't have to undergo any complications of the gallstones. Thank you.